On most key records and transactions throughout Spire, you can create any number of customizable field types and labels to include specialized information for your procedures or industry. When editing a record that supports these fields, open the User-Defined tab to see them. There will be one or more sub-tabs with as many extra fields as you specify, using different data types such as text, dates, numbers, and checkboxes. Fields can be defined to require a non-blank value, indicated by a star with the label, where an error will appear when saving if the value is blank. And some field types allow verification of the entered value, either to prevent typing certain characters or ensure it is within a specified range, or an error appears when an invalid value is used. If you have security rights to configure user-defined fields, you can see the UDF Properties button to create or make changes to these fields. The UDF Structure screen lists the fields already created, perhaps organized within separate pages that you specify. You can organize both pages and tabs by selecting, dragging, and dropping the object to the desired location. Edit an existing field in Properties, or create a new field. Each user-defined field requires a unique field name with no spaces or special characters for internal identification, and a label to best indicate to users what the field value is for. Choose the type of data you want to use. There are two different text field types for smaller or larger amounts of information. Text fields support straightforward value entry, or can be configured as a drop-down field where predefined values are selected. There are 4 different numeric field types that have different formatting for display, and all of them, except integers, allow setting the number of decimal place precision you require. There are also selections for date and Boolean checkbox fields. Whichever type you choose, you can set any to require non-blank values when saving the record. All user-defined field data types, except multi-line text and Boolean, allow setting validation or formatting choices to ensure that unexpected data is not saved, and these choices depend on the data type. For date fields, you can ensure that the value falls within a particular period, or warn if the value is later or earlier than today. For numeric fields, you can set minimum or maximum amounts to ensure the entry is within a range. And for text fields, you can assign a text mask to specify the number of characters and what each one can be, either by choosing a mask from the drop-down for common formats, or enter your own special layout, with alphabet character case forced to upper or lower if desired.